So if you don't know what to do with your turkey leftovers from Thanksgiving or from Christmas, here's an idea. My son Ivan saw this on our local TV news. We're gonna make mashed potato and turkey balls, like meatballs, but with mashed potato and turkey. So I just selected some of the turkey and I'm gonna go ahead and chop it in small, very small pieces. Okay, so here's what I chopped. I chopped it as small as I could. These are the carrots that cooked with the turkey. So I'm gonna cut these, but make sure that I cut them really, really small. As small as possible. Also, I put celery. This is celery. Put in the turkey. Also gonna cut those. Okay, so now we got 2 eggs. We're gonna break half. And okay, we're gonna put just a tiny bit of pepper. And we're gonna whisk it. Whisk those eggs. Whisk it good. This is something quick and it's something different, because people get tired of the turkey after the second day of eating it. So this is something you can do with a mashed potato. Okay, so we already have the egg, which we whisked, and we put a little bit of panko here. Panko. And now we're gonna put oil, vegetable oil. Got vegetable oil. We're gonna put it in the pan. Maybe like half a cup. Okay, so I have my mashed potato here.
The stove is off.
The stove is off, yes. I just need the space. I like working with little spoons. About that size, Ivan?
Yeah, or maybe it could be a little bit bigger. That's fine.
Yeah, everything's cooked anyway. Okay, like about that much. We're gonna press it down. Maybe make it in a little bowl first, and then just press it down. And then we're gonna put some of the turkey mixture here. And then we're gonna cover it. Make sure you cover it well so it doesn't fall apart. Okay. Now we're gonna put it through the egg wash. And through the panko. Okay, and that's what it should look like.
Now I'm gonna help make something.
And now my son Ivan is the expert on making meatball, so he's gonna help. He is. He makes really good meatball, nice and round and cute. Okay. So now let me.
Okay, so now it's my turn. Whoa. Get about that much. Roll it up first. Turkey. Some of the carrots too. Celery. There we go. egg wash.
Make sure you cover it completely with the egg wash. And with a panko breadcrumbs. If you have another type of breadcrumb, you can use it as well. It doesn't have to be the panko.
There we go.
Okay, so we're gonna make the rest of these.
Continue making them.
Yeah, and we got a mashed potato there. So we get at least maybe. Well, we're gonna need a small panko.
We're gonna make this a little bit more of a tasty to get that nice savory. Because I don't know about you guys, but the turkey is a little bit dry, and the pork is kind of complete opposite. It's very fatty and it's very moist. So we're gonna try to. What I did here was I put some of the turkey into the bowl. I'm gonna dip it now into the eggs. Now into the lard. This is pig lard or pig's fat. It's like a greasy substance. So now through the panko, the breadcrumbs.
So we're making the rest like that, but the first ones we just put them through the egg wash and the panko. But we're gonna try something different.
So this one has egg wash and pig lard.
I'm sure we'll be able to tell the difference.
And I'm pretty sure it'll give it a nice
Let me see
flavor.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, it looks almost like the other ones.
Yeah, it still looks like the other ones. So we get the mashed potato. You could also add bacon. You could also add bacon to the mashed potato.
Yeah, the mashed potato has bacon.
Oh, the mashed potato does have bacon.
It doesn't have a lot of bacon, but it has some bacon.
So since it has bacon, then the pig lard goes good with it.
Yeah.
So now, get some turkey. Just like that. Maybe I put a little bit too much turkey, so I just get some more mashed potatoes.
And after this, we're gonna deep fry them. There's nothing healthy about this, but good, yeah. It's gonna be delicious. But it's the holiday, so.
This is a good way to clean up your refrigerator after Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
If you don't want to settle for the boring old leftovers, you can go ahead and try this.
You'll fool everybody.
So now, let's do the egg first. Egg wash first. And now, pig's lard. Get it in there really nice. A little bit. Panko. Breadcrumbs. You can get the seasoned breadcrumbs or the regular breadcrumbs. I think this one's seasoned. Just put it in there. There we go.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and finish. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the stove, put it in high, and we're gonna fry the meat, the turkey balls. Turkey balls, that's what we call them. Okay.
The gobble balls.
Yeah, so we're gonna wait till the heats up really good, because everything is cooked. Let's just put them through so they brown and get nice and toasty. Okay, so I think the oil is hot enough. We're gonna start with this one here. I hope the yeah. Right. Make sure the oil is hot, really hot, so they don't fall apart or stick.
I mean, obviously, if you have a deep fryer, you can put it in the deep fryer.
Yeah.
But we don't, so we're using this.
Oh, you know, maybe where we could have put it in the air fryer.
You could also probably do it in the air fryer.
Yeah. Okay, let me lower the heat a little bit. Yeah, make sure the oil is really, really hot.
Go ahead.
Okay, so here we are. They're all finished, nice and round, and we're gonna add some cranberry, so you can also get rid of your cranberry. We're gonna pour it over. It has a little thing there. Little cranberries. Boy. What a feast. And extra cranberry sauce. Let me get you.
If you want to dip it, you could just dip it in there.
Yeah, the cranberry sauce. And just to garnish a little bit more, we can put some mint. And I think the best is not the look, but the taste. How it's gonna taste. Awesome. Okay, so Ivan is gonna do the honor.
So dip it a little bit.
Good.
Really good.
Yeah, something different.
Get the fork up some more. Show it. There we have it.
Look at that. Who says Thanksgiving leftovers are not good? Okay, thank you for watching, everybody. Please come back and visit my channel, and may God bless you and keep you safe. Until the next time, bye bye.